Why do some people build massive wealth while others struggle? It's not just luck, it's strategy. Millionaires think differently, invest wisely, and build habits that set them apart. In this video, we'll break down the Millionaire playbook, powerful habits, smart money moves, and mindset shifts that can transform your financial future. If you're ready to unlock the secrets of the 1%, stay tuned, hit that like button, and let's dive in. The Millionaire mindset, how they think differently. Ever wondered what separates millionaires from the rest of the world? It's not just luck or a high salary, it's a mindset. The ultra-wealthy see opportunities where others see obstacles. They focus on long-term gains instead of short-term pleasures. They understand that wealth isn't just about making money, it's about growing and keeping it. One of the most powerful habits of the wealthy is developing a mindset of abundance. They believe money is a tool, not an end goal. This allows them to take calculated risks and make strategic investments. Instead of saying, "I can't afford it," they ask, "How can I afford it?" They prioritize education, self-education. The average millionaire reads at least one book a month. Books on investing, personal development, and business help them stay ahead of the game. Knowledge is their greatest asset. They don't stop learning just because they finished school. They understand that the world is constantly evolving, and the more they know, the better decisions they can make. Another key aspect of their mindset is resilience. Every millionaire has faced failures, but they don't let setbacks define them. Instead of giving up, they analyze their mistakes, adjust their strategies, and keep moving forward. And finally, they have a clear vision. They know exactly what they want, and they set actionable goals to achieve it. They don't just dream about success, they create a roadmap and take daily steps to make it a reality. How millionaires manage their money. Becoming wealthy isn't about making a lot of money and spending it all. It's about managing money wisely. Millionaires follow the golden rule: pay yourself first. Before they spend on luxury, they invest and save. Many follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. But the truly wealthy go beyond this. They invest aggressively. Their money works for them, even while they sleep. They diversify: stocks, real estate, businesses, and digital assets. Millionaires spread their money across multiple streams. They don't rely on one source of income, because when one stream slows down, another picks up. They avoid lifestyle inflation. When their income increases, they don't increase their spending to match it. Instead, they reinvest their profits to grow their wealth even more. The power of networking and surrounding yourself with success. You've heard the phrase, "Your network is your net worth." And it's true. Millionaires surround themselves with other successful people. They know that the right connections open doors to opportunities that money alone cannot buy. Successful people don't compete. They collaborate. They seek mentors, join mastermind groups, and engage in high-value conversations. They understand that success is a team sport. Even their downtime is productive. Instead of wasting hours on social media, they consume content that adds value to their lives: podcasts, audiobooks, and online courses that sharpen their skills. Another habit, the discipline of consistency and daily habits. Here's the real secret: success isn't built in a day, it's built daily. Millionaires are creatures of habit. They wake up early, exercise, plan their day, and take action. Every single day. They set clear, specific goals, not just vague wishes, but measurable targets with deadlines. And then they create a roadmap to achieve them. They master self-discipline. They don't give in to impulsive spending. Instead, they focus on long-term rewards. This is why they build wealth while others struggle. Another habit, taking action. Your path to wealth begins now. So what can you do today to start building wealth like the 1%? It starts with action. Shift your mindset. Learn about money. Build a network. Create good habits. Invest in yourself and your future. The journey to wealth begins with one step. Take yours today. The secret to wealth isn't really a secret. It's a series of small, consistent steps. Start today and watch your future transform. Another millionaire's habits. Millionaire productivity hacks. How they get more done. Productivity is a millionaire's superpower. They don't just work hard, they work smart. Every task they do is intentional and aligned with their goals. They prioritize their time by focusing on high-impact activities. They use time blocking to maximize efficiency. setting aside specific time slots for deep work, meetings, and relaxation. They delegate tasks that don't require their personal touch, allowing them to focus on what truly matters. And most importantly, they eliminate distractions. They minimize social media use, avoid unnecessary meetings, and structure their day for peak performance. By optimizing their time, they accomplish more in a few hours than most people do in an entire day. Last habit, investing in health. The overlooked wealth strategy. What's the point of building wealth if you don't have the health to enjoy it? Millionaires understand that physical and mental well-being is crucial to success. They exercise regularly, eat nutritious foods, and prioritize sleep. They know that peak performance isn't just about working harder. It's about feeling energized and focused. They meditate to manage stress, practice mindfulness, and make sure they stay mentally sharp. Your body and mind are your greatest assets. Invest in them just as you would in stocks or real estate, because true wealth isn't just about money. It's about having the health and energy to enjoy life to the fullest. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's created through consistent action, smart decisions, and a clear vision for your future. Whether you're just starting or already on your journey, every step matters. Remember, the habits of millionaires aren't out of reach. They're simply built on discipline, knowledge, and focus. You have everything it takes to build your version of success. So take that next step. Invest in yourself, stay the course, and keep leveling up. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone chasing financial freedom. Your wealth building journey starts now.